Canyoneering na tayo. Hello guys, si Kuya Ariel ang aming magiging tour guide for today's video. Yeah.
3 to 4 hours adventure.
Yeah.
Jumping,
swimming, zipline, it's up to you. Are you ready na ba daw?
Go walk 45 minutes before it came to our first jump. So 7 major jump site has 3 to 10 meters high. So then if you are wearing contact lens, when it's closed for us, we'll go on jumping. Then for the zip line, instead of walking 45 minutes, you only walk 10 minutes going to our first jump, okay? Thanks for listening.
isa rito. Tapos pwede kayo tandem.
Magandang dilag, yeah. Busog na busog ka ba sa mga nakikita mo, kuya, ha?
Tingin dito.
Napipigil ba? Pwede sa iba mo ipalabas.
Dito.
Ha?
Maganda mag-planking,
banking.
Going to the first jump.
Going to the first jump daw. Ayan, so ilang minutes?
40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Yeah, walking.
Walking there. Pero if you will do the zip line,
instead of 40, only 10 minutes.
Wow. Oh, diba? It's too fast. But how much it cost?
Well, 600 pesos for zip line.
Oh.
Ano,
What the walking?
No payment. Only benefits of walking.
Yeah.
Tigil na yung napababa ka. Ay, hindi yan. Bubulukok ko.
Yan, exercise lang naman tong pag-walking. And
Correct.
try naman na namin mag-zipline kami, no?
Mas matindi.
Kaya nga.
Maganda ito para matagtagin na.
Oo, yung mga kinain natin. Ay,
ba't mas mataas
naka-superman siya. Ay, oo nga. Malapit na ba tayo?
Malapit na. Medyo tutunuran.
Ayan na naman tayo sa malapit eh. Lagi sinasabi nila malapit. Pero tipong ilang oras pa palang lakaran yun.
Sabi nga din, di ba? Sumakit yung tulog.
Ayun.
Pababa talaga.
Parehas tayo, Dok. Yung
Kanan ka.
ako kaliwa naman.
Tulog natin.
So, pag pinagsama mo sila, hindi na makalakad.
Pang miss you ata yun ah. Nandahan. Sayang yung bato namin, magasgasan. Reserve namin yan. Doon muna tayo, sir.
what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'm tied up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be a dead. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
So, tapos na kami magkawasan. Sobrang ganda. So, babalik na kami. Yan. So, nauna yung third, second, huli ang first. Kasi nag-canyoneering muna kami. Ayan, napakaganda niya. Guys, see. Woo, ayan. Basta kawasan. Then, grabe, sobrang ganda. Kaso may mga building siya na nasira. Ayan ah. Before may building siya dyan. Ayan. Kaso nasira dahil sa bagyong Odette. So last na yon, tapos na. Grabe. Sulit, ang pagod, ang saya. So magla-lunch na kami. Dahil what time is it now? Uy, mag-aalauna na. So nag-start tayo. Ano oras tayo nag-start? 9? Or, ha? 9? Tapos 9:30 sa first jump. Tapos ngayon, ano na, 12:45. So nasa 3. Kulang-kulang 4 hours din. May, ano yun? May pa-bridge? Ano yan? Ayan, may hydro daw dyan. Tapos nasira din ng bagyong Odette. So mga ilang minutes pa itong lakaran pa dun sa 15 minutes dun sa
10 minutes.
sa base camp. Base camp.